So far we discussed about Kafka topic, consumer group, offset, producer. Now in this one we are going to see one Python example of Kafka producer where we are going to post some message and that message we can consume in this command line consumer. So I have already started the consumer and let's see the Python code of producer. So I'm using Confluent Kafka, and from Confluent Kafka we need to import producer, and then for the configuration I'm just passing bootstrap server information here. So this server is the local server and this is the topic name, test topic. So we create the producer and then we need to produce one message. So topic name is this, and value, in value we can pass the message. So I'll say Kafka message from Python local. Save this, and in callback we can check whether this message we are able to post or not. So here in this delivery report, if we are not able to publish this message, at that time we'll get error. Otherwise we can see which particular topic it has posted as well as the partition information we can see here. So let's run this code, and here you can see message delivered to test topic and partition is 0. Now if I'll go to this console consumer, here we can see the exact message what we have posted, Kafka message from Python local.